What's up everybody? Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen. Today we're sticking with the spring-summer theme. We're going to be making some fresh lentil salad. It's going to have a nice balsamic and oil vinaigrette dressing inside. I'm excited. As always, all the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is grab a cup of French lentils. We're going to give these a good rinse. Make sure there are no rocks or twigs in there. Then we're going to cook this in 4 cups of vegetable broth that we have brought to a boil, along with salt, tarragon, bay leaves, and 2 crushed garlic cloves. Now, some of these lentils are not like the others because I didn't have a full cup of French lentils. I was almost there, so I just supplemented with some other lentils. You gotta do what you gotta do. And don't forget your 2 to 3 sprigs of fresh thyme. Man, if you could smell this. Oh, it's delightful. All right, we're gonna bring this to a low boil, very low. And we're gonna cover this, leaving it slightly tilted. And we're gonna cook this for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, while this is cooking, let's start on our dressing. We're gonna mince 1 clove of garlic. You're gonna get 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. And we're gonna add our remaining ingredients, which is 2 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. You choose how much you want. I'm putting in 3, a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. All right, I think that's good and emulsified. Smells delightful. All right, it's been 20 minutes. Let's check the lentils. They should be soft, yet still stable. And I think we're there. So now we're gonna drain this into a colander. We're gonna let it cool for about 15 minutes. While that's cooling, let's go ahead and start chopping up the other veggies that we're gonna put in there. We need a small onion, small carrot, tomato, oh yeah, and the radishes. Fun fact, radishes, along with onions and garlic, were used as payment to the ancient Egyptians that built the pyramids. Radish seed oil was actually used by the ancient Egyptians as well before olive oil was discovered. Radishes are also a diuretic, as well as curing inflammation and cleaning out and inhibiting infections in your kidneys and urinary system. Now we just need a small red onion and tomato, so I'm not going to use these whole things. And we're going to chop this red onion finely. And we're just gonna dice our tomato. We're also gonna seed it. But again, we only need a small tomato. So I'm probably gonna cut this into just a little bit like 3/4. And I just might eat the rest. All right, let's shred our small carrot. We're just gonna use this. And our radishes. All right, our lentils should be relatively cool now. So let's remove the thyme and the garlic and the bay leaves. All right, now we're just gonna add everything to our dressing. Our lentils, our tomatoes and onion, and our shredded carrot and radishes. All right, we're gonna give this a good toss to make sure everything's combined. We're gonna season with salt and pepper. All right, now once we are mixed, we are going to cover this and chill it in the fridge for at least a half an hour. It's been 30 minutes. Let's try it. All right, now after you put it on your lovely bed of fancy lettuce, whatever lettuce you got, you can put some olive oil and vinegar on the side, or you can just eat it like this. Yes, it's really good flavor. It's hearty, it's fresh. That dressing is delicious. It is really good with a little bit extra, red wine and vinegar on the side. This is really good. You don't need to put it on salad. You could eat it by itself, but it is really good with the salad underneath. All right, y'all, this is delicious. Might look weird, but it's good. All right, y'all, you want a fresh new salad for the summer, springtime, whatever day it is, make this. The dressing's delicious, everything about it's good. You'll be happy. I hope you liked what you saw today. If you did, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. Make sure to share and comment and subscribe and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time. That's hot.